Hi everyone, Aman Kukreti this side. So today we will discuss about types of visualization in Microsoft Power BI. So in this video we will discuss about the build visuals provided by the Power BI and not going to learn in depth of what their functions are when they are used. We will only look after the icons and what they represent. So first of all, we need to know what is visualization means. So they are used to effectively present your data and are the basic building blocks of any business intelligence tool, which is Power BI is a BI tool. So visualization generally enables you to draw your data or to build a meaningful insight so that if you look at the data or if you look at your visuals, you can clearly detect the insights you want to get from it. So we will have two options in visualization. So first one is build visual and another one is page format. So we will discuss one by one. So for the page format, we have numerous options. Number one is page information, canvas settings, canvas background, wallpaper, filter pane, and filter cards. Now we will look about the build visuals, which is the main topic of this video. So for the visualization, we will discuss one by one what these all icon represent us about the visuals. So we have number one. This represents stacked bar chart. We called it stacked bar chart. Now next one represents stacked column chart. Then we have clustered bar chart. Then this one is clustered column chart. Then we have this 100% stacked bar chart. In this, you will only get the regarding the information of what these visuals represent. We will have in details discussion of this in the next videos, in the next upcoming videos. Next, we have 100% column chart, 100% stacked column chart. Next, we have this is line chart. This is area chart. This is stacked area chart. And this is line and stacked column chart. Next, we have line and clustered column chart. Now next this is ribbon chart. Now we will move to the next one. This is waterfall chart. This we call as funnel chart. This is scatter chart. Then we have pie chart. Then we have donut chart. And this is tree map. So these are all visuals we are going to get one by one. Next, this one is map. This is field map, Azure map, gauge, card, and then we have multi-row. So you can see some of the visuals are very clear, or naming of some of the visuals are very clear from the icons they have. So we need not to mug it up, or uh, we need not to have knowledge. You will be able to recognize them when you have a hands-on experience of Power BI. Next we have KPI. This is slicer, table, metrics, R script, visual. Then we have Python visual. Next we have key influencers. Key influencers. This is decomposition tree. Next we have Q&A. This is smart narrative. This one is metrics review, and this one is paginated report. Then we have card new. Then this is called as ArcGIS maps for Power BI. Next we have Power Apps for Power BI. And last but not the least, we have Power Automate for Power BI. So these are the visuals we get from the Power BI, and we will going to have this dotted, as you can see on your screen, these three dots. They also provide some of the visuals. These are all provided by the Power BI, and Power BI also provide us if we want some other visuals to be brought into the Power BI. So we will discuss about the three dots, what it is represent here. So this represent get more visuals. If you want to get more visuals, Power BI provide you some apps in the built-in option of Power BI to get you some more visuals if you want for your report. You can also import a visual from a file, remove a visual, restore default visuals. So these are all the options we have on this three dots. So these are all some of the options Power BI provide us for the build visuals. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to get some more details, we will have on the upcoming videos. And if you have any doubt, please let me know and we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.